Hey everyone, welcome back to If you're new here. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. We're diving deep today into one of the most iconic motorcycles in the world, the 2026 Harley-Davidson Sportster. Stick around to see what makes this model special, as we break down everything from its design to performance and much more. Let's get started. The Harley-Davidson Sportster has long been a cornerstone of the American motorcycle brand, symbolizing rugged individualism, classic design, and thrilling performance. Originally introduced in 1957, the Sportster has undergone numerous changes and upgrades, evolving with the times while maintaining its iconic heritage. From its sleek, aggressive design to the new advancements in performance and technology, there's a lot to talk about. So, sit tight, because we'll cover everything you need to know about the 2026 Harley-Davidson Sportster. Harley-Davidson has always been known for its distinctive design, and the 2026 Sportster continues that tradition. The first thing that catches the eye is the bike's bold and dynamic look. The 2026 model has retained some of the signature features that have made the Sportster a favorite among Harley riders, but there are also some new design elements that make it feel fresh and modern. Starting with the frame, the 2026 Sportster adopts a more streamlined design compared to its predecessors. The bike is lighter, which gives it a more nimble feel without sacrificing the solid, powerful presence that Harley bikes are known for. The new frame uses aluminum components, which contribute to the overall reduction in weight. This makes it easier to handle and perfect for those riders who are looking for a bit more agility on the road. The fuel tank is another standout feature. It's been redesigned for better aerodynamics and to improve the overall flow of the bike's aesthetic. It has a slightly more angular shape, but it still retains that classic Sportster vibe that we've all come to love. It comes in multiple colors, including some exciting new shades, like deep metallic blues and matte finishes that offer a modern twist to the traditional chrome. Let's not forget the wheels. The 2026 Sportster boasts custom-designed alloy wheels with a more intricate spoke pattern that enhances its visual appeal. Whether you're cruising down the highway or parked at your local bike meetup, this bike is sure to turn heads. The seat has also been adjusted for comfort, and although it has a lower profile than previous models, it doesn't sacrifice ride quality. Harley-Davidson has optimized it for both style and comfort, making it suitable for long rides as well as shorter urban trips. If you're an experienced rider, you'll appreciate how this Sportster can deliver a solid, responsive ride while keeping things comfortable. When we talk about Harley-Davidson, one of the first things that come to mind is power, and the 2026 Sportster does not disappoint. It comes equipped with an all-new, high-performance engine that's designed to deliver an exhilarating ride while meeting modern emission standards. The engine is a liquid-cooled 1,250 cubic centimeters V-twin powerhouse, a major upgrade from earlier Sportster models. Harley-Davidson has put a significant amount of effort into fine-tuning this engine to strike the perfect balance between power and efficiency. With a maximum output of 100 horsepower and a torque of around 90 lb-ft, the 2026 Sportster has plenty of power to keep up with both city traffic and highway cruising. The engine is paired with a 6-speed transmission, which provides smooth shifts and great responsiveness at higher speeds. Whether you're pulling away from a stoplight or cruising at highway speeds, the bike feels incredibly responsive and in control. It also features a new electronic throttle system, which enhances the bike's throttle response and gives riders more precise control. One of the major talking points for this bike is the all-new exhaust system. Harley-Davidson has implemented a new twin-pipe exhaust that not only gives the bike a deeper, more aggressive sound, but also improves airflow and engine performance. The sound alone is enough to make any Harley enthusiast smile, but there's more to it. The exhaust is tuned to reduce vibrations, making it smoother and more comfortable on long rides. For 2026, Harley-Davidson has stepped up its tech game, incorporating some of the latest innovations to enhance the riding experience. If you're looking for a bike that offers both classic Harley charm and modern tech features, the 2026 Sportster has you covered. One of the biggest upgrades is the inclusion of the new Harley-Davidson Ride Command System. This is an intuitive, fully integrated touchscreen infotainment system that gives riders access to navigation, Bluetooth, music, and real-time weather updates, all in a user-friendly format. The screen is crisp and clear, even in direct sunlight, so you'll never have to struggle to read it while riding. Additionally, the 2026 Sportster features adaptive cruise control, which is a huge bonus for anyone who spends a lot of time on the highway. This system automatically adjusts the bike's speed to maintain a safe distance from the vehicle in front of you, making long rides more relaxing and less stressful. Harley-Davidson has also incorporated modern rider assist technologies into the 2026 Sportster. It comes with traction control, ABS braking, and a new electronic stability control system that ensures the bike stays stable and responsive in all conditions. Whether you're riding in wet conditions or taking sharp turns, these features make the bike safer and more reliable. When it comes to handling, the 2026 Sportster shines in many ways. Harley-Davidson has made significant improvements to the suspension system, offering better stability and comfort than ever before. The front fork features new damping technology, providing smooth absorption of road imperfections and bumps. You'll notice the difference, whether you're cruising through the city or taking a ride along winding country roads. One of the things Harley-Davidson is famous for is the ability to personalize and customize your bike. The 2026 Sportster is no different, offering a wide range of options to make the bike truly yours. You can choose from a variety of accessories like custom handlebars, upgraded foot pegs, and even custom seats to enhance both style and comfort. For those who want a more performance-oriented ride, there are numerous aftermarket parts available to improve the bike's performance, from upgraded exhaust systems to high-performance tuning kits. Harley-Davidson also offers different paint options, including premium custom designs, so you can make your bike look as unique as you are. And that's a wrap on our review of the 2026 Harley-Davidson Sportster. As you can see, Harley has really taken this iconic model to the next level with new performance features, cutting-edge technology, and a sleek new design. Whether you're a seasoned rider or someone new to the Harley brand, the 2026 Sportster is definitely a bike worth considering. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Let us know in the comments what you think of the new Sportster. Would you ride one? Or maybe you've already taken one for a spin. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, ride safe and keep the rubber.